Hi, my name is Joshua Salas, and currently I am in the DMS program in Healthcare Career College. Prior to this, I was working at a psych facility. It was a steady pace, but I wanted change in my life, so I opted to do this, and I saw Healthcare Career College that had the best program for me. What inspired me was for sure the pay. I was looking more in depth with it. I was like, dang, if you make this much money, what can I do with this? So when I was looking more into it, my friend Reggie, who is my fellow peer in this class, he was telling me about it, and I was like, whoa. One of the people in Healthcare Career College helped me out. It was real cool. The setup was nice. Talked with my financial process, and then after that, I got into it. Man, so it's basically a full-time itinerary. I got Monday to Thursday school, Friday to Sunday work. There's not really a balance. The only balance I could say is just follow your itinerary with your school and priorities, because if you just do all these nonsense, you're just gonna leap towards nowhere. So just focus on your school, work, sacrifice now, we're gonna play hard later. Typical day in lab is with Miss Pamela. She's very helpful with the scan trainers. Every time I need help, ding ding ding, she's like, I will help you with the knowledge. So it's cool. My study methods, if I don't go and understand something, I make sure I follow through with it again. I make sure I watch it over and over until I get it. If I don't understand it, I ask one of the teachers, and surely enough, they will help me with what I need help with. So at first, I was kind of skeptical about the scan trainer, because I was like, this is virtual, like wouldn't you want to learn the real thing? But man, the scan trainer teaches you different types of scenarios. Like if you want to learn pathologies, you can learn that pathologies. If you want to learn regular study cases, man, you can see that too. You got different options. I mean, why wouldn't you want to learn the scan trainer? But I can see the point of why people want the real scan, because that's what you're gonna be going based off, right? But when you're going towards that, I think it's easier learning the scan trainer first. So when you leap towards the actual real thing, you're gonna be professional, I promise. My plans for the future is to one day become an ultrasound and work at UCLA hospital. That's my future goal. Then hopefully after that, I lean towards future revenues of income. It's a lot of knowledge, but make sure you grasp every single one. If you don't understand one, just take a note of it. Don't be lazy. You're taking this course for a reason. You have fellow peers that are in the same wave on you, so make sure you can ask them to be positive with the same vibe. Then one day when you guys graduate, you're gonna see the accomplishments together. Welcome to Healthcare Career College, and your success starts here.